Well, hi there. I'm Josh, and this is Food Banjo, and this is my assistant Zara. Say hi.
Hi.
Say welcome to Food Banjo.
Welcome to Food Banjo.
Could have gotten a parrot, instead we had a kid. And today we're making cranberry relish. It's that time of season. Where one, you can get cranberries easily enough from the store, fresh in a bag. This is cranberry relish, so it's no cooking involved. It lasts for about a week. You can have it with everything.
Papa.
It's easy to make. Takes no time at all. This is actually, I should say, this is orange cranberry relish. This is my favorite type of relish. It's much better than the stuff that you get out of cans. And we're going to make a few other simple additions. This one is really easy to remember. It uses 1 bag of cranberries, a cup of sugar, and a whole orange. And then we're going to add a little bit of Paula's Texas orange to it. A little bit of alcohol. If you don't have this, we love Paula, so we use this. But if you don't have it, you can also use triple sec or Grand Marnier or something like that. Or you can leave it out entirely. But it's only a couple tablespoons, so it's no big deal. All right. So before I had a Cuisinart food processor, I would do this in a blender. But the food processor chops it up a little bit more evenly. So that's what we use now. If you don't have one, use a blender, or you can chop it up by hand. But just everyone has a blender, right? Especially if you're watching this. You make lots of drinks and stuff. Okay, so this is a entire bag of washed cranberries. And we're just going to add this to the food processor. All right. Done. This one that rolled away. Then we are going to cut up one. Hold on. Okay. If you want to. You want it? Can you put it in? Can you put it in here? Wait, hold on. Let me move you closer. Come on. Oh, get closer. Get closer. Yes. All right, good job. That's 1 cup of sugar. And I don't think you can over sugar this. It doesn't get substantially sweeter when you add more sugar, so add more, add less, more you're in the woods. In the woods? Out of the woods. I don't know. And I'm just going to go ahead and quarter 1/8 an orange. I feel like a soccer mom doing oranges for halftime. Okay, and just put that in. Foley artist back there making some noise. Hey, no. Okay, no, you can keep that one. A little less than a whole orange is fine too. And again, we're going to go ahead and add some Paula's. You could be done here, that's fine if you want. I don't know why Julia Child didn't do more of this, just eating an orange while she was cooking. Or we're going to edit that out, I'm not sure. Alright, so I'm doing 2 splashy tablespoons of Paula's. That's it. Let's put it in. We're just going to pulse it until it is gravity up. Yeah, there's one stubborn orange piece in there. How's that going? Does that taste good? Thanks, I'm good. All right, so we've done that. And you can see kind of the consistency. It's mushy. It's good. It's better if it sits for an hour. Really let the sugar bring out those juices. I'm going to put it here in the bowl. Can I have that spatula, please? That's the spatula. Yeah. Hannah? Thank you. And we're just going to pour this in here. I think this.
You drop it on my hand then.
I dropped it on your hand?
No.
I'm sorry. Excuse me. Excuse me.
It's okay, Daddy.
Oh, thanks. Thanks. Okay. Alright. That's good. Alright. Here, you want to try it?
Yeah.
Okay. Let me know what you think. It's perfect? Is that what you said? I've been waiting. I think the alcohol is kicking in. So that's our orange cranberry relish for Food Banjo. Oh, do we have another
Taste tester?
taste tester? All right. Fly him in. Can Archer have some? You want to see if Archer likes it? Kid tested, father approved. Yay! So that's our cranberry orange relish. Super easy. 1, 1, 1, and 2. 1 bag of cranberries, 1 orange whole, and 1 cup of sugar, and then 2 tablespoons of Paula's orange triple sec.
I like that cranberry dog.
Well, good, because we're gonna have a lot of it.
I like that cranberry dog, Daddy.
All right, you want to say bye and thank you for watching Food Banjo?
Bye.